Well, good morning, scrappers. It's Saturday morning. The weather here is finally broke a little bit. You can see it's nice and sunny out. So today we're going to get to work on doing some more cleanup here in the future shop of the Scrap-Meister. And yeah, got this row of cans here need to be hauled up into my apartment. Get those listed on eBay. This past winter I found all of these grade 8 bolts, and yeah, there was still a lot of snow on the ground, and it was probably sometime in January when I found them, and I listed them on eBay, and none of them have sold yet. So just wondering, I think I'm just gonna scrap them out. So we'll go through those and do that. I'm gonna try to take another load of cans to the storage unit and pick up my golf clubs. And then yesterday I went to the Habitat for Humanity store and got this nice workbench top. It's about 7 foot long. Paid $10 for it. Couldn't really pass that up. There's no way I could build something like that for $10. So yeah, hopefully we're gonna get that mounted today and get this place a little more organized. So I'll check in with you as the day goes on. Okay, scrappers, just a little update here. I tore apart a couple of vacuum cleaners, a couple of lamps, and I made one trip to the not to the scrap yard, to the storage unit, and hauled in a carload of cans out of here. So I'm going to try to make another run to the warehouse with another load of cans, and hopefully I got that cleared out enough there that I can get the bench put up. So yeah, it's a project. It's not going as fast as I'd like it to, that's for sure. So yeah, I took all these out of the box, and not all of them. I still got another case, 5 more boxes of them, but I can barely lift that right now, so I ain't gonna put any more in there. So yeah, it's getting there. I should be able to get quite a bit more of this into the storage unit, but all of it is not going to fit, I can tell you that. So anyways, I'll give you an update when I make a little progress. Talk to you soon. Okay, scrappers, got another load of cans loaded up in the car, trunk, back seat, and passenger side. We're getting there. You can see walls. So yeah, just thought I'd give you a quick update, and I'm gonna head out to the storage unit now to drop this load off. Talk to you soon. Okay, scrappers, just checking in, back from taking the 3rd load of cans out to the storage unit. The shop is starting to get a little bit bigger here. Yeah, so I don't know if I'm gonna get that bench up tonight or if I'm gonna do it tomorrow. They seem to have changed the weather forecast, and it's supposed to be looking pretty nice tomorrow too. So some more cans here. I'm gonna take up the list on eBay. So anyways, I'm gonna piddle around in here for a little bit, and I'll give you a quick look after I'm done here. Okay, scrappers. It's getting a little better. Got our scrap moved over to this side here, and the bench is going to go in here. It's not going to be tonight. It's almost dusk, and but we're making progress. I didn't carry those up to the garage or to the apartment yet. So yeah, it's going to be another good day's worth of work to get it to pretty close to where I want it. So anyways, I just thought I'd check in before I call it a day. I think I've had enough. Been at this since about 9 o'clock this morning. So yeah, we'll touch base with you tomorrow. Pretty nice out today, Sunday morning. It's better than what was predicted. Getting closer. Still got to haul all these cans up to the apartment. Got a server there to tear apart. Brought my golf clubs back from the storage unit because we start golf league. Gotta figure out where to put these boxes. There's my pile of shred. And there it is. There's the bench. Wasn't too bad. Went up in about an hour, I would say, cleaning everything out of the way and whatever. But it's not complete yet, but it's getting there. And I gotta go and get ready to go do some family things. So that'll bring this video to an end. Okay, scrappers, remember, if you're a cat lover, pounce on that like button. If not, just give it a delicate click. Smash that subscribe button if you haven't already. Enlighten someone, hit that share button, and get yourself some scrapper gear at Scrap-Meister.com. Plus, I'd suggest that you watch one of the videos on screen now. And remember, until the next video, be good.